Welcome back to my channel. Future car. The Genesis GV90 2026 is shaping up to be one of the most advanced and luxurious all-electric SUVs in the world. Designed to serve as Genesis' flagship model, positioned above the GV80, it enters the full-size three-row luxury SUV segment and aims to challenge premium rivals such as the Mercedes EQS SUV and BMW iX. Genesis, as Hyundai's luxury division, has put enormous emphasis on making this model stand out through design, technology, performance, and range, while keeping the brand's philosophy of elegance and innovation intact. The GV90 will be built on the new IMA Integrated Modular Architecture platform, which is the successor to the EGMP architecture. This new platform will allow greater efficiency, flexible configurations, and higher levels of performance. With an 800-volt system, it will support ultra-fast charging, making long-distance travel practical. The production will take place in the Ulsan factory in South Korea, where Hyundai is establishing a state-of-the-art EV plant, and mass production is scheduled to start around mid-2026. The global reveal is expected in late 2025, with delivery starting in summer 2026. The exterior design of the GV90 is heavily inspired by the Genesis Neolune concept, which introduced the idea of reductive design. This concept focuses on simplicity, smooth body lines, and a futuristic, minimalistic approach. The SUV will feature signature twin-line LED headlamps, flush-fitting door handles, and an aerodynamic body shape. One of the most striking features will be the coach doors, suicide doors, which will be offered in a special edition with no B-pillars, creating a unique entry experience similar to Rolls-Royce. Although this feature may be limited to high-end trims, it highlights the luxury aspirations of the GV90. The interior is expected to deliver an even more impressive sense of luxury. Swivel seats for the first and possibly second row will allow face-to-face seating, ideal for a lounge-like environment during charging breaks. Sustainable, high-quality materials will be used, including leather alternatives, cashmere finishes, and fine wood accent. A massive Samsung 25-inch OLED display will dominate the dashboard, paired with Genesis's latest infotainment system, powered by advanced V920 chips with strong GPU and AI capabilities. The car will also include multiple displays and digital camera systems to replace traditional mirrors, ambient lighting, acoustic innovations for premium sound quality, and an emphasis on spaciousness will make the GV90's cabin one of the most luxurious in its class. Performance will be one of the SUV's key selling points. The base dual-motor all-wheel drive setup is expected to produce around 500 horsepower, while a performance model could exceed 600 horsepower and may use a tri-motor configuration. This will allow extremely quick acceleration for a vehicle of its size, likely in the 4-second range for 0-60 miles per hour. The GV90 will house a large 113.2 kilowatt-hour battery pack, delivering an estimated WLTP range of up to 497 miles, which would translate to around 350 miles under the stricter EPA cycle. Fast charging from 10% to 80% will be possible in about 25 minutes or less when using a high-speed DC charger, thanks to its 800-volt system. Genesis has also confirmed that it is working on an active air skirt technology that automatically adjusts to reduce drag at high speeds, which will improve efficiency and range. The suspension setup will likely include adaptive air suspension, which automatically adjusts ride comfort based on driving conditions. Rear axle steering is also expected, making the large SUV more agile at low speeds and more stable at high speeds. Level 3. Autonomous driving capabilities may be introduced, meaning the car will be able to handle certain highway driving tasks with minimal human input. These technologies will position the GV90 at the cutting edge of both comfort and safety. As far as pricing goes, the GV90 is expected to start at around 100-0 for the entry model, with higher trims going up to 120-0 depending on performance and features. In markets like the UAE, the estimated starting price will be around AED 367,500, with performance trims closer to AED 422,250. While this makes it one of the most expensive Genesis vehicles to date, it still undercuts some European rivals with comparable or even superior technology. The GV90 will not just be a luxury vehicle, but also a symbol of Genesis's evolution into a premium EV brand. It is designed to be futuristic yet practical, offering space for families with its three-row layout while maintaining a luxurious and high-tech atmosphere. Competing models like the Mercedes EQS SUV and BMW iX offer between 300-330 miles of range, but the GV90's projected range and faster charging will give it an advantage. Its unique features such as coach doors, rotating lounge seats, OLED technology, and premium sustainable interiors set it apart from anything currently on the market. Overall, the Genesis GV90 2026 will be more than just another electric SUV. It will represent the company's ambition to compete at the highest levels of luxury and innovation. By blending advanced technology, strong performance, long range, futuristic design, and an exclusive interior, Genesis is aiming to redefine what a flagship electric SUV can be. Though slightly delayed compared to original plans, the GV90 is set to make a strong entrance in 2026 as one of the most complete and impressive EVs ever built, and it may well change the perception of Genesis in global markets. Subscribe my channel for more videos.